Welcome to Johnny's Syndicate. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of my carb up. So I ended my fast at 17 hours and 30 minutes. I'm having some whey protein and I'm having a little Gatorade. It's time for our first meal. We got some oatmeal. I'm going to do a cup and a half. I'm going to do half a cup of raisins, some cinnamon, and a whole banana. And I'm going to go over here and make 4 egg whites. Time to get these egg whites started. Breakfast is served, my first meal of the day, with the addition of a Zip Fizz. Time for a snack, we're going to get some dried apricots and a couple of those little cups of applesauce. We're going to do about 1.5 serving of these apricots, so that's going to work out to about 60 grams. And I'm having 2 of these no sugar added applesauce. Let the fruit snacking commence. The next meal I have was already prepped from Saturday, so we're gonna have it right now. It's protein pasta with some mixed veggies and some garlic marinara. Meal 2 is ready. It's all warmed up and ready to go. Put a little Parmesan on it this time. It was only 2 grams of fat, so we can get away with it. I have some chicken breasts in the oven. I'm gonna have another protein shake while I'm waiting for it, and I'll show you my next meal. Meal number 3 is 14 ounces of chicken breast, half a serving of spring mix, cherry Coke Zero, and I covered it with a Walden Farms ranch dressing. I'm down to my last 20 minutes before I need to start fasting again, so I'm gonna get in my last couple hundred calories. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna eat yet. I've got it. The last meal for today is gonna be 2 servings of Fruit Loops. It's like 58 grams, and a cup of almond coconut milk. And that'll be my calories for the day. Everyone have a good night. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.